Imagine the first all-electric Class A motorhome, with sleek electric steps, a futuristic cockpit, and a silent, clean-powered ride. Welcome to the Jayco Embark ERV prototype. In today's video, we'll walk through the exterior, step inside, and then break down where you can buy one, how much it costs, and what to expect from this groundbreaking rig. Meet the Embark prototype, debuted at Jayco's homecoming. Right off the bat, you'll notice classic Class A storage bays, an on-demand water heater, hot-cold outdoor shower, and a Nautilus water management system for easy dry camping and winter prep. Swing around to the passenger side, and you'll find the EV battery setup, emphasizing this isn't just an EV gimmick, it's designed for real-world use. Stepping inside feels luxurious. Electric entry steps usher you in like royalty. Up front, there is a modern cockpit with a touchscreen, swivel, driver, and passenger seats, and creature comforts ready for the road. The living area is smart. Sofas opposite a fold-out table, integrated screens and shades, televator TV, overhead cabinets, and intuitive tank-level monitors. Everything is controlled smartly, from leveling to water heaters, via one central command center. The kitchen impresses. Dual cooktops, including induction flat top, deep undermount sink with rainfall faucet, hood vent, spacious storage, a 12-volt refrigerator, and a convection microwave hidden behind seamless panels with a pull-out spice rack. Prototype or not, it's seriously well equipped. Heading back, the split-style bath boasts a large shower with body sprayers, max air fan, towel warmer, vanity with backlit mirror, storage, and a skylight. Practical yet deluxe. The bedroom beyond houses an AC, leather-padded headboard, smart TV, big skylight, and extensive underbed storage. The range extender provides up to 450 miles total, impressive for an RV this size. Interested in buying one? While this Embark is still a prototype, Jayco's traditional 2023 diesel models are ready today. The Embark Class A diesel pusher starts at around $407,400 MSRP for the 39 BH length option. Almost 40 feet long, sleeps up to 7. Jayco.com. The 39 T2 model lists for approximately $411,540 MSRP, with dealer invoice prices near $309,429. See dealercost.com. If you're looking to locate one, RV listings show used Jayco Embark models priced between about $110,000 to $222,000, averaging near $183,000. RV Trader. The prototype electric model could command a premium. RV news outlets estimate a limited production e-RV like this could cost around $460,000. RV.com. The Jayco Embark Electric Class A might be the future of RVing, quiet, clean, and smart. Whether you're eyeing the EV model or the ready-to-buy diesel version, this rig represents next-level motorhome design. Let me know in the comments, would you go electric for your next motorhome or wait for production versions to hit the market?